So good morning everyone. I'm Shruti, working as assistant professor in Ramco Institute of Technology. Now we are going to see the lab experiment for the course CCS 334 Big Data Analytics. Now we are going to do the fourth experiment, that is to run a basic word count MapReduce program to understand MapReduce. So come, let's start the program. So to do that, first open a terminal, start all the Hadoop services, wait for some time till all the nodes get started. All the nodes are getting started. You have to ensure that all name node, data node, secondary name node, node manager and resource manager, everything are started properly. To ensure that, type the command JPS. As you could see, all the nodes are running. So now we have to set the MapReduce class path. We have already done all these steps in the earlier experiment of matrix multiplication in Hadoop. So we are going to follow the same steps. Type MapRed class path, enter, copy the output of the command, type export class path equals quotation, type the lines which you have copied, close the quotation, press enter. So now we have set the MapRed class path. Now we have to edit the word count file, that is we are going to type the word count Java file. To do that, I'll give you the word count program. You can copy and paste the code. To do that, type gedit. Gedit is nothing but word editor. Word count.java is our Java file. Press enter. So I have already pasted the code here. As you could see, like I have given the source code in the manual, you just copy this code, paste it in the file, click save and close the file. Now we have created the Java source code. Now we have to execute the program. To execute this, we'll give javac word count dot java. As you could see, the file is compiled. Open the folder, check. This is the word count program. The word count class file is created. Word count reducer class file and word count mapper class file is created. So as we followed steps for matrix multiplication, we have to follow the same step to create the jar file for this word count problem. To do that, we'll create a folder naming word count. As you could see, the folder name already exists, so I'll give word count 1. Okay, I'll move these 3 files, word count, class, mapper files, into the word count 1 folder. So there are 3 files. Now we have to create jar file of this folder, wc1 folder. To do that, what command we are going to give? Jar space hyphen cpf word count 1.jar hyphen capital C space word count 1. This is the folder name which we created. Okay, space /dot. Press enter. So I added manifest. Now you can check it in the folder. As you could see, word count 1.jar is created successfully. So once the jar file is created, next step, before executing, we have to give the input file. To do that, no, we'll just use the word editor, gedit word.text. I have already pasted few of the words here. Click save. And close the file. Now we have to move this input file into the HDFS using the put command. So we are going to move this word text file into the HDFS, and I'm giving an input folder name input 1. Okay, so now our word text file is moved into HDFS input 1 folder. Okay, so now our jar file is ready, the input file is ready. What we can do, we shall proceed to execute the program. To do that, we have to type hadoop jar, give the name of the jar file. Our name of the jar file is word count 1.jar. Our class name is word count. Next, give the input file location, it is input 1. Next, give the location for output for so I'm giving output word count. Okay, enter. So our program is successfully executed. To check our output, we type hdfs dfs -ls to list the contents of the folder. We give output word count. So the output file is created. Copy the name of the output file. To view the result of the output file, we can type hdfs dfs -cat output.com and paste the file name and press enter. So as you could see, the word count program is executed successfully. I have given a very lengthy paragraph. If you want, you can edit and give some other content and check the output. So the word count program to demonstrate map reduce task is done successfully in Hadoop.